Before you decide your next career move, you need to know the facts, what the market really looks like, how high the demand is, and what salary range to expect. Job market research helps you uncover those answers instantly, so you can make career decisions backed by real-time, trusted insights, not guesswork. Go to Preparation, then select Job Market Research. Click Start Research, and your job title and location will load automatically from your My Target settings. We analyze current market data, including difficulty level, job demand, AI replacement risk, and salary ranges from sources like SalaryExpert, Payscale, and JobsDB. See which skills and certifications top candidates have, from leadership and project management to cybersecurity and communication. You'll also get smart recommendations showing how your experience compares to the market and which roles may better match your level. In seconds, you'll have a complete, data-driven snapshot of your target role, difficulty rating, demand level, salary benchmarks, and key skill insights.